.540 Fairfax, I'm on scene. Don't worry. Hello. Hey, I'm Trooper Aziz. Are you okay? What happened to your car?
Nothing.
Why are you stopped in the middle of the street? What happened to your car, ma'am? Can you get back in your car for me? Get back in? Sit in your car? I'm gonna close your door, okay? I'm gonna talk to you. Do you mind if I have your keys?
No.
Can I hold on to your keys for you?
No.
Okay. Why are you stopped in the middle of the street? I'm sorry?
That's it. This is...
Okay, are you okay? Do you want me to call medical?
No.
Do you have any ID on you?
Yes.
Can I have your ID, please?
No.
45 X, can you send me additional units? She won't identify herself.
I'm around there.
Did your car break down by any chance, or?
No.
540.
No, okay. 540, go ahead.
Repeat the last one of your traffic light.
I need additional units, not identifying herself. Can't answer my questions. Sorry? I need you to stay in the car, ma'am. I've been hit. Send me medical, please.
We're coming down to 85 right now. 1040 unit close. Northbound 40 pounds of 52. E30 all being up. Sorry about that, I'm coming from the office. Hey, hold the channel. Channel's out. 540. 540.
540, go ahead.
Are you 10-4?
No, my leg's in a lot of pain right now.
10-4. She's going to be northbound 495 at the 52. Alright, get rescue sorted. We got them started. Just make sure to keep that call direct. I got Fairfax County and also coming with me. Keep direct.
Can you roll down your window?
Okay.
Ma'am, sit back in your car. Put on your seatbelt for me, okay? There's a lot of traffic going on right now. Put on your seatbelt. I don't know right now, sorry.
Are you okay?
I just got hit between the cars.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Did you not see me, or what happened? Are you able to roll down your window? Can you crawl out of the passenger seat for me? Ma'am, sit back in your car, okay? Someone's car just ran into me. Can you sit back in your car, ma'am? It's a lot safer in there. Come on. Ma'am, ma'am, sit back in your car. Passenger 540. The person in this blue vehicle that was in the middle of the road is staying out of the car now. Ma'am, can you sit back in your car? No, lot going on right now. Are you okay? Can you sit back in your car? I need you to sit back in the car, ma'am. Ma'am, sit back in your car. Do you mind helping me? Ma'am, I need you in your car, okay? There's a lot going on right now. The last thing I need is you to be hit, okay? Sit back in your car. Ma'am, sit back in your car, or I will put cuffs on you. Sit back in your car.
Just, oh, come on, they can stay in the car.
Okay.
Get inside the car. Just get inside the car. Can I have your keys? No. Okay.
Ma'am, sit in your car, please. Yeah, we just got into an accident, so can you sit in your car, please?
Are you okay?
Yeah. Ma'am, can you sit in your car?
Yes.
Yes. Can you sit in your car?
Yes.
I need you in your car.
You okay?
I just got hit between my car and your car.
Here, sit. Sit on yours. All right. You okay?
So what happened exactly? You didn't see my lights?
I saw it too late.
You okay?
Yeah,
What hurts?
my leg.
Is it broken or sprained or what?
Don't even know.
836, get me we're gonna hold everything up. Send Bob to get here.
Hey, I'm gonna put her in my car. Yeah, do that. All right, go sit in my cruiser right there, okay? Hang out.
We're going to have a CMB involved, and then it's going to be 2 civilian vehicles plus a cruiser. We're going to need a heavy duty, and we're going to need 3 records.
Alright, last test I'm supposed to offer you about laws of PBT. Alright, you ever heard of the PBT before? Alright, it's a little device, alright? It tells you roughly what your blood alcohol content's at, alright? You just blow into it like a balloon. Alright? A couple things that come with it though, okay, that you have to know. Alright, you have the right not to take it, you have the right to take it, you have the right to see the results, and it can't be used against you in court. Okay? Would you like to blow in the little device?
I think so.
Okay. Let's come back this way. Now. Come this way. Walk up here. Walk up here to your back. Alright, just look right there into the camera. You just look that way. Alright, go ahead and put your arm on your back. Alright, you are being placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.